10 o'clock high, people. What you're looking at right now is how I am composing a new surf idea. And you may ask yourself, Jim, how can you be composing a new surf idea when your surf guitar is unplugged and you're not playing your instrument? Well, this is one of the fun parts of songwriting that I don't show on 10 o'clock high usually, but I just got the idea a minute ago, so I already got the sound that I had in my head, and right now I'm coming up with 4 or 5 different drum beats using my drums application, which is, I use XLN Audio Addictive Drums. And let me click out of this stupid thing. And here's the interface for that. So XLN Audio Addictive Drums, and my surfy drum ideas. Here's one of them. Okay, so that's for like a crescendo section. And I'm kind of thinking my way through the same song structure as Apache from the Shadows and the Ventures. So, you know, you've got like 3 or 4 different movements and you cycle through them, and that's a song structure. Now, for all those folks in my audience that happen to be over the age of 40, all you out there wasting your money on fiber supplements, you need to spend about 100 bones on one of these subwoofers and start listening to some drums like this for about 5 minutes, and you're gonna step out of that bathroom and you're gonna say, you know, Jim was right. I was wasting my money on all that fiber supplement. I'm recording about 40 seconds of this because it sounds like a good drum part for a build-up section before a chorus. This might be a good one for the main theme, or, you know, like the verse of this idea. So I'm getting about a couple of minutes worth of this recording. And let's see. So before I even record a note of guitar, I'm going to have these 4 different sonic canvases to play over. And here's what another one of the drum beats sounds like. This is the intro part. Okay, so, and I'm going to come up with, I'm just going to run through all the menu options that look appealing to me on the Addictive Drums app. And so I'm going to find 3 or 4 more of these that feel good to me, and I'm going to record clips of them, and then I'm going to start recording some surf guitar. But you know, a lot of my ideas, when you hear that it's got bass and drums over it already, this is the process that I've gone through. It's very simple, but you know, once you get the idea in your head and you know what the beats per minute is going to be, get a drum beat that you like, and you're halfway there. All right, so this is a little different episode of 10 o'clock high, but every song that I've ever released, this was part of the process, okay? So, you know, this is part of recording, and it's a fun part of the recording, but I'm just not playing guitar right now, all right? Thanks for watching. 10 o'clock high!